drones coming in.
I said him and Logan will get a job flying drones when they come to San Diego.
They got that new TR-3B. Have you seen that one flying around?
Mm-mm.
It's like a triangle UFO.
Wow.
Yeah, check it out on Google. It's TR-3B.
You coming in right now?
No. Look at all that wind. So much wind.
Who's yelling at me?
Moto, quiet.
Shut up.
Oh, relax.
Okay, coming in.
Coming in.
Who is yelling at me?
Moto.
Why would I stop what I'm doing?
There's Adam.
What? He always sees me.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Marshall. Where's Marshall?
You tell her to stop. Wait, 2.3 more minutes. Tell her to hurry up and wait.
That's what we always do. Hurry up and wait.
It looks big from down there. It looks real.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just insane.
Can that carry a camera?
Easily.
Easy.
Dude, the ones they had at Pipeline were smaller than
side
that.
right here's where the
Two of them.
Here's where the GoPro
Oh, the
goes.
cameras?
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
They had a,
camera.
Oh no way! It's made for it. Yeah.
they had them
sweet.
set up for. They had one set up, and it was for the 3D one where there's two GoPros kind of side by side.
That is 3D.
That is
That has the
so.
3D.
Well, Todd, remember I told you my boss wanted to consider maybe filming him racing?
Yeah, well, they got these new things now. They don't look like a helicopter. It's an octagon with 5 blades and cameras over a gyroscope. It looks like a real drone. If something happens and I lose something, I go into somebody, this could kill somebody.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Here's a view from Todd's property, Mt Helix, here in Spring Valley. That's the 54 freeway right there, going east into, I guess that would be La Mesa, and the other side of that would be Lakeside, and going left we'd be going back towards the college area. It's a beautiful day, Saturday. It's like a perfect 75, light breeze. Awesome day to have a birthday. Anyways, the whole gang is here, including me. What's up?
Oh, so you can fly with an iPad. It has 5 gyroscopes. It has a GPS.
What a great party. Everybody's here.
Well, this does 100. That thing goes like 15. This thing does 110 down there.
100.
Yeah. I didn't have the
Let's do a
battery.
test flight in my F-22 Raptor.
Insane toy.
That is. Look at that, the Hawaii.
Here's that bamboo. They're gonna do something with this. I think they're gonna. He's gonna split these in 4s, and then panel that. His new office that was the first room that I was in. He's gonna panel that whole thing in bamboo. And this used to be. Well, I guess it's got to be a bar in here, the green room bar. They're gonna put a bar in this little section right here, granite tops. They got this cool sink over here for the room, and then there's maybe a shower or a photography black room or something like that, and a little bathroom in here. But it's all in the works. He was telling me earlier about it. That's cool. I guess everybody left. Anyways, this is the office. Fish tank. That's so cool. Let's go down to the garage. You can see the airplanes down there. Let me go check that out first. Here we are, cruising down the path. This is my brother's best friend growing up, and all his friends and their wives and now babies, 1-year-olds, and cool.
I see them now, yeah.
That one's cool.
Dude. And they're powered by the engine or the batteries? Which one? That light.
Little guy inside there.
I'm gonna go set these up for them because all the little kids are now. I'll be right back.
Here, I'll plug it in really quickly for your lights.
Okay, I want to start to cut this. Can we go by cut it?
You see that you come over, that's all in the excuse. Yeah. I would love for you to come
That's
over.
scissors in the drawer.
Oh yeah, those are fried, dude.
fast.
Like at night.
This thing.
Have you seen it go? No? Looks like it flies across the water,
Oh,
huh?
dude.
Come away.
Wow.
Tires are awesome. You gonna take
Now,
jumps?
which planes does Logan fly?
This is his.
That one? Very
Wow,
cool.
Logan.
Good
I saw the
job.
YouTube of you flying that thing.
Or one of them.
Yeah.